Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 3 more Kashmiri youth in a fake encounter in occupied Kashmir today. The troops martyred the youth during a so-called cordon and search operation in Uri and Baramulla district. The troops also continued their violent search operations in different areas of Islamabad, Pulwama, Kulgam, Rajouri and Poonch districts. Indian troops continue their violent cordon and search operation in Kokarnak area of Islamabad district on the 5th consecutive day today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops launched the CASO at Gadul in Kokarnak on Tuesday. The troops are using military helicopters and Israel-made Hiron drones in the area. An Indian Army colonel, a major, a soldier and a deputy superintendent of the police were killed in an attack in the same area on Wednesday. All-party Surrogate Conference leaders have said that the people of occupied Kashmir are engaged in a just struggle for the exercise of their UN-pledged right to self-determination, and they will take it to its logical conclusion at all costs. APAC leaders including Ghulam Mohammad Khan Sopori, Salim Zargar, Yasmin Raja, Farida Behenji, Mohammad Yusuf Nakash and Ghazi Manzoor in their statements issued in Srinagar said that the Kashmiris' freedom movement has been recognized as a just struggle at the global level. Regional political parties in occupied Kashmir have strongly condemned the assault on the Kashmiri students at the Desh Bhagat University in the Indian state of Punjab. The students held protests against the university decision to transfer their registrations to an unapproved Sardar Lal Singh College located within the DBU campus. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference Additional General Secretary Sheikh Mustafa Kamal has said that the ground reality in occupied Jammu and Kashmir belies the Indian atrocities claims on the peace and normalcy. According to Kashmir Media Service, Sheikh Mustafa Kamal in a statement issued in Srinagar said the recent spate of killings has called the India's occupied Kashmir's policy into question. Special Assistant to Pakistan Prime Minister for Human Rights and Women Empowerment, Mishal Hussain Malik has said that India has created a worse situation for the people of the occupied Kashmir due to fake encounters being conducted by its troops. Mishal Hussain Malik in a statement in Islamabad said the people of occupied Kashmir are being invaded under the guise of military operations. Pakistan's caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Haq Kakar has reaffirmed that Pakistan will continue raising Kashmir dispute at all the global and regional fora because it has been the oldest and unresolved agenda item from the United Nations Security Council. According to Kashmir Media Service, the caretaker Prime Minister said this in a media interview ahead of the departure for addressing the United Nations General Assembly session.